Surfshark VPN Review 2025. Is it worth it? Plus, how to get the best price. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Digital Tech Best. Surfshark burst onto the VPN scene a few years ago and quickly became the go-to recommendation for people looking for speed, security, and especially value. But with the VPN landscape constantly changing in 2025, the big question remains: is Surfshark still worth your money? Or is the low price hiding a subpar product? I've been testing Surfshark's new infrastructure upgrades, digging into their no-logs policy, and most importantly, I'm going to show you exactly how to get their best available price, which includes bonus months. If you care about protecting your privacy, streaming content without buffering, and securing every device in your house with one simple subscription, stick around. We're breaking down the real pros and cons of Surfshark VPN in 2025. Part 1. The massive pros, the value proposition. Surfshark doesn't just match its competition. In two key areas, it absolutely beats them. Pro 1. Truly unlimited devices, the family advantage. This is Surfshark's single greatest selling point and a major value differentiator. Unlike virtually every other top-tier VPN, which cap you at 5, 7, or 10 connections, a single Surfshark subscription allows you to connect an unlimited number of devices. Think about that. Your phone, your laptop, your smart TV, your gaming console, your partner's devices, and your kids' tablets. You can secure your entire household and even friends with just one monthly fee. This feature alone makes the entire subscription cheaper than covering half the devices with a competitor. Pro 2. Performance and protocol mastery. For 2025, Surfshark's speed is seriously impressive. They've aggressively adopted and optimized the WireGuard protocol. Speed. When connecting to nearby servers, the speed loss is negligible. I tested it, and it's perfectly capable of 4K streaming and high-speed gaming without noticeable buffering. Security. Surfshark is a strictly no-logs VPN, meaning they never track, store, or sell your online activity. They also offer military-grade AES 256 GCM encryption, ensuring your data is always safe. Pro 3. All the essential security features included. Surfshark packages premium features into even its most basic plans. CleanWeb blocks annoying ads, trackers, and malicious links before they load. This significantly speeds up browsing and protects you from malware. Bypasser, or split tunneling, this lets you choose exactly which apps or websites use the VPN tunnel and which connect directly. It's fantastic for banking apps or local services that need your real IP while everything else stays private. Kill switch. This is non-negotiable. If your VPN connection unexpectedly drops for even a second, the kill switch instantly cuts your internet access, ensuring your real IP address is never accidentally exposed. Part 3. The hidden cons, where it falls short. While Surfshark is fantastic, it's not perfect. There are a few trade-offs you should be aware of. Con 1. Long-distance speed variability. While speeds are blazing fast for nearby connections, like any VPN, Surfshark can struggle with long-haul routes. If you're in the US and connecting to a small server in Southeast Asia, you might see more speed degradation than you would with a service specializing only in high-speed, dedicated servers. But for most users streaming or browsing within their continent, this is a non-issue. Con 2. Occasional UI hiccups. The desktop apps are clean, but occasionally you might experience a minor bug, or a slower than expected connection time when initially logging in. This is minor, but it reflects the fact that their team is focused on constantly rolling out new features and maintaining a massive server network. These minor quirks usually get patched quickly in subsequent updates. Part 3. The final verdict and best price strategy. So, is Surfshark VPN worth it in 2025? Yes, without a doubt. Surfshark offers the best blend of unlimited device value and fast and modern performance available today. For individuals, students, and especially families looking to secure multiple gadgets, there is no better option. It's fast enough for streaming, secure enough for work, and priced perfectly for budget-conscious consumers. how to get the best price, the secret discount. The advertised price is good, but you can always do better. The secret to getting the actual lowest price plus free months is through a specific dedicated discount link. I've partnered with Surfshark to get you an exclusive deal that automatically applies a massive discount to the longest term plan, along with free extra months added onto your subscription. Click the link. Use the special link I've dropped in the description right now. It is the only way to guarantee the lowest price and the bonus free months. Choose the 2-year plan. To maximize your savings, you must select the 2-year plan. That's where the maximum discount is applied. Risk-free guarantee. Don't forget, every Surfshark subscription comes with a full 30-day money-back guarantee. You can try it completely risk-free for a month. If you're not satisfied, you'll get a full refund, no questions asked. This Surfshark deal won't last forever. If you care about protecting your privacy, securing your data, and enjoying true online freedom, now is the perfect time to act. Click the link in the description, grab your Surfshark discount today, and keep every device in your household safe with just one subscription. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay private, and enjoy the internet with total freedom.